वेलकम एट द RTS ई गुरु। उम्मीद है त सब ठीक हूंदा। अॼु जेको आहे पाण बेसिक स्पीकिंग कोर्स में जेको को बि सिखी सघे थो हुते यूनिट 6 जेको आहे पाण हिते सिखी जेको अॼु हुनजी प्रैक्टिस कंदासीं। यूनिट 7 ही इज़ अ टूर गाइड। In this unit you will learn the following: how to talk about occupation, how to ask for clarification. Here are the words you will learn to use: application form, businessman, did, doctor, farm, have, hello, hi, mechanic, now, nurse, occupation, pharmacist, police officer, receptionist, sales assistant, slowly, driver, to go, to, tour guide, was, where, when. Okay, so this is our words. These are the words you have to practice and memorize. Now sentences. Here are the phrases you will learn. What do you do? I'm a. How will you learn? uh, how you will learn. Okay, how many do you have? Could you repeat please? I'm sorry. Here are some phrases you will learn to use. What do you do? I am. How many do you have? I'm sorry. Could you repeat please? Okay. Here are some sentences you will practice. That's my neighbor. I'm a teacher. He was a taxi driver, but now he's a businessman. She's a sales assistant too. Grammar tips: past simple. Okay, simple past tense. A taxi. A taxi driver. Picture 3. What's your name? John Flipson. Picture 4. What do you do? I'm a taxi driver. Picture 5. Application form. Name John Flipson. Occupation taxi driver. Picture 6. My name my name's Gary. I'm pharmacist. Picture 7. My name's Flips. I'm a mechanic. Picture 8. My name is Gary. I'm a nurse. Picture 9. My name is Brad. I'm a businessman. Picture 10. My name is Mark. I'm a doctor. My name is Vivian. I'm a receptionist. Picture 12. My name is Jeff. I'm a police officer. Picture 13. I'm Allison. I'm a teacher. Okay, it's now your turn. Repeat. Picture 1, picture 2, picture 3, picture 4, picture 5. Read text in picture 6, picture 7, picture 8, picture 9, picture 10, picture 11, picture 12, picture 13. Unit 7. Read picture 1. That's my father. He's a tour guide. Picture 2. That's my friend. He's a sales assistant. That's my sister. She's a sales assistant too. Picture 3. Application form. Name Fred Williamson. Occupation tour guide. Picture 4. What do you do? I'm a businessman. Picture 5. What did you do? I was a tour guide. Picture 6. Where were you a tour guide? When were you a tour guide? Sorry, it's not where, it's when. When were you a tour guide? From 2012 to 14th. Okay, now repeat. Picture 1, picture 2, picture 3, picture 4, picture 5, picture 6. Okay, let's move ahead. Picture 1. Application form again. Vivian Clark, occupation sales assistant from 2006 to 2013, receptionist 2013. Picture 2. What do you do? Fill in the blanks. Your turn. I'm a receptionist. Picture 3. Your turn. Answer is what do you want? What do you want? No, what do you do? Okay, the correct question is what do you do? I'm a sales assistant. Picture 4. When did you a sales assistant or when were you a sales assistant? Which is the correct answer? Were. When were you a sales assistant is correct answer. Picture 5. What do you do? Picture 6. I'm sorry. Couldn't you could you repeat that please? Picture 7. What do you do? Picture 8. Would you like something to drink? Picture 9. I'm sorry. I couldn't repeat that, please. Picture 10. I'm sorry. Could you repeat that, please? Picture 10. How many tickets? Picture 12. I'm sorry, I couldn't repeat that. Please slow down. 13. How many tickets? Dimensions. Picture 1. What's your friend? Who's your friend? Her name is Jill. Picture 2. Who's your picture 2? Your father's name Jim, isn't he? Yes, it is. Picture 3. He's a taxi driver, isn't he? No, he isn't. Picture 4. He was a taxi driver, but now he's a businessman. Picture 5. What does your father do? He's a businessman too. Okay. Now repeat these again. Let's move ahead. Picture 6. Here's my sister Anne. Hi Anne, I'm Ben. Hello Ben. Picture 8. How many sisters do you have, Tom? I have one sister. Picture 9. I have one sister too. What's your name? What's her name? Jill. This is my sister Jill. So Jill's your sister. Ben. And Ben's your brother Jill. Yes, that's right. Okay, this is all about Unit 7. Now repeat this last page and repeat all the sentences and phrases that you learned in Unit 7 that will help you to boost your speaking. Okay, practice it, repeat them again and again, read them again and again, then practice without looking at them. Okay, that's all for Unit 7.